Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thank you for joining me today. I am very thankful you're here, and I hope you are happy, healthy, and safe. And today I'm documenting just a couple of things. And here's a couple of pictures of the sewing box that I found at a thrift shop, and this is me already organizing some of the contents. I have a video, or I will have a video coming up shortly. It may be up now, I don't know. But showing this whole thing. So, but I also wanted to document it in my journal. So I'm basically just going to put these photos down, and then I have the receipt, and I'm just going to kind of tack, or not tack, but staple the receipt right to here. And that's all I'm going to do for this page. I also might find some, I know I have some pumpkin stickers and pumpkin rub-on stickers, and pumpkins are coming out now in our neighborhood, so today is actually, while I'm filming this, is September 25th, and people are starting to decorate for Halloween, and well, I should say they have been decorating for Halloween for a while now. I just got my little ceramic pumpkin collection out, and I got that up, and we do have pumpkin lights and some outdoor decorations that I haven't put up the lights yet. I was waiting until October 1st to do that. But I do have like a scarecrow out, and like a welcome pumpkin thing, like a metal lawn ornament kind of thing out. So I do have that out. And one little tiny pumpkin solar light that I put out. So I thought it would be okay to add a few little pumpkins to my spread, probably on this side. And then these are, we went to the dog park, I don't know, maybe it was last week. It was a beautiful, warm, sunny day, and I could not get all 6 of these little white Siberian Huskies in one picture because they were all over the place. They're puppies. But I wanted to get a few of them because Dobby was so funny, and in amongst all these little puppies that will someday be giant compared to him. And he normally doesn't like puppies because he doesn't like puppy energy. He is almost 10. He's going to be 10 in December. But he liked these dogs. It was funny. So I wanted to just kind of capture that. I just thought it was so cute how he, is this little old man in the middle of all these white dogs. And the sad thing, though, about these dogs is whoever had them there was 2 men. They said they were looking for homes for them, and that they had 2 days to find homes for them, and we could take them home with us right that day if we wanted to. And I thought, that sounds fishy, because who wouldn't want to be more careful about who they're giving their puppies to? You know what I mean? No background checks. I don't know. Not a background check, but like when we adopted Dobby, we had to fill out a lot of forms and like explain how we were going to take care of him and what our walking situation is, or how we can get his outdoor activity in and all that kind of thing. So I thought that was weird, but and he was going around telling everybody in the dog park, do you want to adopt him? You can take him home today, and all that kind of, I just thought it was weird, honestly. And I should have asked, well, what's going to happen to them if you don't adopt them out in 2 days? But I didn't think about it at the time. We were just kind of having fun playing with them because they were so cute. But anyway, I'm kind of getting off track here. I want to get some pumpkins, and I also want to get this up on this page. I might put these. This was such a beautiful day. I mean, I think you can tell in the picture, like, it was sunny, and you can see how blue the sky is. it was just such a nice day. So I'm going to put these guys here, and then I'm going to go back and find out the date that we went so I can put that down in there too. We have had a beautiful September, honestly, and I cannot complain one bit about it. But, you know, fall is going to come eventually. So, it's just a matter of time. How are you guys all doing? I hope you're doing well. What kind of projects do you have coming up? I have so many things I want to do, but I don't think I'll get them done. I want to paint my kitchen cabinets, and I want to move some bushes and stuff like that. But I don't think I'm going to get around to it this fall, unfortunately. Because I want to take the cabinet doors off and sand them down and, you know, really do it right. Because the last time we didn't do that and it's peeling off. And I want to make it a different color. And, like, I want to do it, but I don't want to do it, you know what I mean? Because it's so much work, and then you have to have the doors off for a while, and that kind of stuff. I wish I could have a professional do it. But that ain't happening. Okay, so I'm just going to put these two. Oh, I forgot. I should do the pumpkin rub-ons first. These are the rub-ons that I found, and I think I'm going to skip using this one in favor of these autumn leaves that my daughter gave me. These are like washi stickers, but I do want to put this fall on here, maybe on this page. Put some pumpkins here and some leaves, and I think that'll do it. So, do you guys, have any of you heard of Pop Shelf? I've seen it on videos. There's a store that's kind of like an offshoot of, I can't even get this out of the paper. There. It's like a branch kind of Dollar General, I think. But we don't have any near us. I wish I did. I would like to check it out. Have any of you ever been to a Pop Shelf? Let me know. So I'm going to put this right here. And I find these nice popsicle sticks work well for this. Watch them prove me wrong now. There's a bump under there, which might impede my progress. Okay, I think it's coming up. That looks pretty good. You can see like a few little bits that didn't make it. That's alright, so that's there. I was also thinking maybe a bird would look nice. A little autumn bird. And maybe I'll put these on since they're cut off from the main thing there. Actually, why don't I put the bird like on top of the I don't know if I can do a rub-on this side. Well, let's try. I thought it would be cute, like sitting on top of the picture. I think, anyway. I hope it works. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. One of his legs got cut off. Let's go back. And part of his tail did, too, I think. Ah, gotta get it in the right spot. I think that's good, right there. It moved. Every time I try to get it in there, it moves on me. Because the book is moving. Oh, it still didn't come out. The foot did, but not the part of the bird. Oh, my goodness. That's going to have to be good enough. It looks okay. It is a little off, though. Alright, I'm going to put these on. But I think I'm going to put a pumpkin on. I got to figure out where my other picture went. I don't see it. Where'd it go? Oh, my goodness. I lost my other picture. Oh, there it is. I think I actually do need to put it here so I can see which pumpkins to use. I could put a pumpkin on top and some pumpkins over here. I do like rub-ons better than stickers. They are a little more trouble, though. Okay, let's see. Maybe I'll just put like this one on top of here. Will it fit? I think it will fit. Or maybe I should just put one on there. Let's just put one on. And then I'll put the other on the other side. Okay. Have you decorated for fall? Let me know. So I'm going to put that like right there. And now I gotta get my popsicle stick. Oh! That came out perfectly even though I thought I screwed it up. So we'll put this here. Honestly, didn't really need two, I guess, of this, kind of the same picture, but I wanted to print them out this size. I didn't want one big giant one. There, that's going to go right there. And now we'll put the double pumpkin right over here. And I still have those leaves, too, that I need to figure out. We'll put this down here, I guess. Sometimes I do like putting actual stickers on top of photos, too. Let's see if I have an example of it somewhere. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. That's not down. Is it now? It feels like it's still so stuck to it. But it seems to be okay. Part of this little leaf got messed up. See if I can fix it. There, perfect. Alright, and I can put a little label there with the date. We still have this, where'd that little green leaf go? Here it is. Put this somewhere. Let's put it here. I'll put some falling leaves here. Every time fall comes around, I mess that up a little. I think of the chapter in the Bambi book about the leaves falling down. Maybe I'll do a video about that, read it. It's kind of sad, though. But it reminds me of, people getting old. Ow, my goodness, that's split right in half. Oh well, leaves that are falling off the trees are never perfect, are they? There's that. I want to actually get into decorating my pages more. Because sometimes I feel like all I do is slap the picture down and that's it, you know what I mean? Oh, wrong way. Yeah, so this is why I'm doing this. I'm trying to decorate my pages a little bit. Still there. Okay, there we go. And then these two. Can I just do them together? Why not? Why not? Gotta get them on the right side, though. You think this will work? Because I got a little notch here in between where the next signature is and the spine. I hope it works. I hope it works out. Some of that's still there. Let's see. It's still, that one is still not all the way there. I don't know if I'll be able to get it. Because, oh, that looks good. All right, and then I'm just going to put some washi stickers over here. And my dates. So I have some acorns. Oh, these are the ones that are hard to get apart. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to have to do this off camera. Because I'm not getting it fast. Well, it took me forever to figure out that this is actually the edge of the sticker. I was trying to, split it apart. Right here. And I think you can see the line. I don't know if you can, but it was much easier than I thought it was going to be. But it took me a long time to figure it out. All right, so we have that. I'm just going to get my little label stickers. And where are they? I got these little label stickers from, I think, Timo, and I'm just going to use them to write the date down. And let's see. I'll put this one here. I forgot to see what date they were. What date I took those pictures. Well, let's find out. September 21st. So that was actually the day before the first day of spring. Or spring. I keep saying that. Autumn. So it's 9/21/24. And this was yesterday, so that's 9/24. We will use this color. Yesterday was the 24th. 9/24/24. Then I got to staple in my... I guess I'll just staple it right up here. And then we'll just flip it up to look underneath. I hope I have staples in my stapler. Yep. Okay. Can you see what I'm doing? No. Not that stapling is that difficult for you to figure out. Ugh. Well, it's difficult for me to figure out, apparently. There. So now we can just flip this up, and we'll see the little cabinet. It's really cute. I love it. And that's it for this layout. Or, well, 2 layouts. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.